The Missouri Department of Conservation wants to help you discover nature and learn more about river otters. The sight of an otter playfully sliding down a snowy riverbank can make even Scrooge grin. Cousin to minks, weasels, and skunks, otters are well suited to live in the water.
They're streamlined. They can get in and out of crevices. They're very good swimmers. They have webbed feet. They have a dense fur. You know, they're just made to, like a torpedo. When I think of an otter, I think of a torpedo just kind of going through the water, and they can get around good. They're good swimmers.
Otters live along slow-moving streams and lakes. Fish and crayfish are favorite meals. But otters also dine on frogs, birds, and insects. Otters were nearly eliminated from Missouri due to unregulated trapping and habitat destruction. But thanks to restoration efforts by the Conservation Department and a carefully regulated trapping season, otters are once again found throughout the state.